In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can get the data just like Dex Screener with our Dex Trades by Tokens API. So I'm going to get this particular type of data which contains if it is a sell or buy, the equivalent USD amount, and the PU amount, the WETH amount, and also the price of the PU token, the maker of the trade, and also the transaction hash. We'll use our BitQuery API to achieve this. You can use this API and build many powerful products. This is going to be a WebSocket so you can get data in real time. Now let's get started. Firstly, register yourself on ide.bitquery.io to get the free points to run this WebSocket in BitQuery integrated dev environment. I have done that already, so I'm going to directly jump into the WebSocket example. Firstly, select EVM, then select the network as ETH, then select DEX trades by tokens, and in this in where condition, we will put our PU/WETH pair details as a filter. So select where, then trade, and then currency, then smart contract. In this, we are going to put PU token contract address. And now we are going to select side, then currency, then smart contract, and here we'll put our WETH token contract address. And now our where condition is done. Now we are going to select the fields we need data about. So select block time, then select trade, and under that amount, the buyer, currency details. We're going to select symbol here. Then we're going to select the DEX details. For DEX, we need protocol name and also its smart contract address so that we can classify a particular trade as buy or sell. We're also going to select seller, also the price in USD of PU token, which is our primary token here. And in this side, we're going to select our amount of width, amount in USD of width, the buyer of width, the seller of width, and the currency, which is symbol. It is going to be come out as width only. We are also going to select transaction from here, which is going to be our maker and also transaction hash. Let's give this transaction from an alias name. We can also order the particular result in descending order according to block time. And now change this query keyword to subscription. Now you can run the query and it will act as a WebSocket. But now we will analyze a result that I got while I was testing it myself. And we will match the data here from the text screener and from our BitQuery API. So if the buyer of our primary currency, that is PU token, is DEX address, then it is a sell. So this is a screenshot I took while I was testing and matching the data with DEX screener. So this is 154674442 PU token transaction. I'll show it to you in our response also. 154674442. We are also giving the response with much more precision than DEX screener. Here we are seeing 410200430 PU token transaction, and here we can see that also. So these all transactions are also included in our response. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and head over to our Telegram channel if you have any doubts.